Unlocking idioms, as white as a sheet, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a popular idiom, as white as a sheet. This phrase is a colorful way to express feelings, and understanding it can add depth to your English skills. So, let's get started. The idiom, as white as a sheet, is used to describe someone who is very pale, usually because of fear, shock, illness, or a similar reason. The phrase paints a vivid picture, comparing the paleness of someone's face to the whiteness of a clean, unblemished sheet. It's a striking way to express a strong physical or emotional reaction. While the exact origins of "as white as a sheet" are not clear, it's believed to date back several centuries. The comparison to a white sheet is intuitive, as sheets have traditionally been white and associated with cleanliness and purity. Over time, this visual comparison became a common way to describe someone who looks pale from fear or illness. To help you understand how to use this idiom, here are a few examples. After seeing the ghost, he turned as white as a sheet. When she heard the bad news, she went as white as a sheet. He was as white as a sheet after the accident, clearly in shock. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, always to emphasize a sudden change in someone's appearance due to an intense experience. Learning idioms like "as white as a sheet" can greatly enrich your English vocabulary. Idioms add color and expressiveness to our language, allowing you to communicate more effectively and understand the nuances in conversations and literature. They are a key part of mastering English and sounding like a native speaker. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of "as white as a sheet" for you. Idioms like this one are what make learning English so interesting and rewarding. Remember, the key to mastering idioms is practice and exposure, so try using this phrase in your conversations or writing. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.